So we've now taken our Brussels sprouts stalk out of the oven. Remember, it was 45 minutes, turned 4 separate times, basically every 15 minutes, just so that that glaze was rotating. It's now on our platter and we're gonna finish it off. So, some more of our balsamic glaze just over the top. And a little bit of our cracked salt. And shockingly, a little bit of powdered sugar. So you get that sweet and savory. It's also very festive. You can serve this directly on your table as is. You're just going to use a little knife to cut off of those Brussels sprouts. Now, I have also made a side dipping sauce. So simple. It is Miracle Whip and Frank's Red Hot sauce. Frank's Red Hot works great when you're doing that sweet and savory. That mixed in with this, that's a lovely treat. From our home to your home, bon appetit. Or good eating, whichever. Bye-bye.